Ladies and gentlemen, I have a feisty one for you. This is America's iced tea. This was user submitted to us. Okay, so we put ice in our glass. We hit it with some vanilla vodka. Come behind that with some rum and gin. Oh, we getting feisty up in here. Okay, and tequila and cherry vodka. There's a ton of booze in this. When you drink this one, your neck's gonna snap back. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, put in some maraschino cherry juice. Come with some lime juice. Delicious. Look at that. Okay, tons of booze, and it's red, and it was submitted by one of you guys. We topped that with a little bit of ginger ale, a little bit of Sprite. Ooh, look at this. Okay, drink responsibly as always. Okay, now we got to sexify with a little lemon on the side, a little cherry in there. This was submitted by Joey R. Joey, you are a master mixologist, homeboy. Stay tipsy, my friends, for all your drinking needs. TipsyBartender.com.